In this section, you will learn about value types, which are essential building blocks for representing data in your applications. We will explore various integral and floating point numeric types, as well as the char and bool types. You'll discover how to define and use struct and ref struct types to create custom data structures, as well as how enumeration types, enums, improve code readability by grouping related constants. Additionally, we will cover tuple types, value tuple, for handling multiple values efficiently, and nullable value types that allow for the representation of absent values.